The year 2020 has locked us down and compelled us to explore our own backyards. As a solo traveler, biker, and backpacker, I traveled across Gujarat, and let me tell you, it is beyond beautiful. I felt I should show you all the amazing experiences I've had in our own backyards. Hi, I am Vinny Sharma, a singer, music director, and also a traveler, explorer, biker based in Ahmedabad. When we talk about solo traveling, we always think about going up north or traveling down south. But let me tell you this, our Gujarat is a lot safer, and there are a lot of unexplored beautiful places a solo traveler would love to explore. And South Gujarat is definitely worth exploring. चारों तरफ हरियाली, ऊंचे पहाड़ and twisted roadways. That's exactly how we perceive Saputara. But let me show you a different version this time.
Finally, here we are.
Ladies and gentlemen, here we are in Saputara. There are 3 tent cities in Saputara. Saputara Tent City, Mount View Tent City, and Arcadia Tent City. The way I travel, मुझे टाइम वेस्ट करना बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं. तो जैसे ही मैं अपनी डेस्टिनेशन पहुंचता हूं, I am out to explore.
Let's go. What a great start to this Saputara trip.
The heart of Saputara, the most happening spot, the highest point with the best view, and the best spot for adventure sport lovers is Saputara Table Point.
So we are at Sahyadri Adventure Park. Kids who are adventurous, they would come here. लेकिन अगर आप एक एडल्ट हैं और अगर आपका वेट 40 kg है, you can still come here and enjoy. Finally, all freshened up, we are finally at the Mount View Tent City. It is cold in Saputara, but जितना expect किया था उतना नहीं है. So that's a good thing.
There is something about fire. It calms you down, not just physically, but also emotionally and psychologically. This calm is all I needed after such an eventful day. The guys at Mount View Tent City provide Quechua tents, especially for solo travelers, and were kind enough to help me set up campfire. The exact experience I wanted. Sleeping in a tent on a mountain cliff and hoping to wake up to a beautiful sunrise.